This is one of the biggest opportunity you will get in the tech space in 2025. Imagine getting access to the premium version accounts of your favorite apps and platforms. I mean real premium logins that has been subscribed by others and you can use with them without you paying for the subscriptions. Yes. Now check out different premium accounts people in my membership get access to, and mind you, this is a one-time lifetime membership where I will be dropping new premium logins of different platforms daily, like ExpressVPN, Netflix Premium, Spotify Premium, Freepik Premium, Invideo Studio Premium, Leon Labs Premium, and many other AI apps and many other platforms. We have only limited people to join the lifetime membership with huge discount. Click on the link in the description below or DM me on WhatsApp to get the lifetime membership subscription now before the limited slots end.